Everyone says that hard work pays off, but let's be honest, it doesn't. The people that get promoted, protected, and paid are the ones that bring in profit. You can be loyal, you can be efficient, but if you're not bringing money into the company, you're replaceable. And if that sounds harsh, good, because it's true. Today I'm going to show you how to become un-fireable by shifting from being a cost to becoming a profit. Even if you're not in sales, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect what you do to what leadership values most: money, risk reduction, and performance. Every decision in a company, including hiring, layoffs, bonuses, it all comes down to just one thing: money. When leadership looks at your name, they're just asking one simple question: does this person make us money, or does this person cost us money? When you're tied to revenue, you become leverage. When you're not, you become expendable. And that's why you'll see entire departments cut while sales, project development, or client-facing roles survive. They're earners. They generate results that leadership can measure in terms of dollars. You don't have to be in sales or carry a quota to be an earner. You just have to understand what moves the money. If you streamline operations, reduce risk, improve delivery times, or keep clients happy, you're contributing to profit. But the key is you have to make it visible. I talk about this a lot on my channel. Visibility is incredibly important to your career advancement. So say it, document it, share it, and connect it to outcomes that leadership cares about. Here's an example. Instead of saying something like, "I improved efficiency," say something like, "My changes saved the company 200 labor hours a month. As a result, that's worth about $18,000. That's what gets remembered: money. If this is connecting with you, hit subscribe right now and check out my last video, how to become unfireable without kissing up, because I dive a little bit more into strategic visibility. Here's the skill that separates top performers from the invisible. They can translate effort into impact. If your actions reduce errors, that's cost savings. If your report prevents project delays, that's risk reduction. If your communication keeps a client, that's retained revenue. You have to frame your work like an investment, not an activity. Stop being a cost center and start being a profit center. Leadership hardly ever promotes the quiet, the humble, or the hidden. They promote the people that make them look good. It's true. You don't need to be loud. You just need to be seen contributing to the metrics that matter. That means strategic visibility, alignment, and communication. Start saying things like, "Here's how my project impacts revenue. This change saves the team X amount of hours a week. Here's the ROI on the approach we just used." Remember, power flows up, not sideways. So make sure whatever flows up has your name on it. So how do you apply this power move? Well, you need to ask yourself weekly, on a weekly basis, can leadership tie my name to value? If not, you need to create visibility. You need to connect your work to measurable outcomes. You need to use metrics or KPIs in your emails and updates. And you need to frame your results in terms of dollars, hours, or risk reduction. Here's an example. My changes reduced processing time by 20%, which allowed us to take on 3 new clients this quarter. That's how earners speak, and that's how you become leverage. Your job title doesn't make you unfireable. Your impact does. When leadership can point to you and say, "They make us money, they protect profit, and they deliver results," you're no longer replaceable. You have now become essential. Because companies protect profit, so become a profit. If you want to learn how to make leadership recognize your value, grab the free Office Influence Toolkit. The link is in the description below. And as always, subscribe, like, comment, share, and join the Power Moves family.